Hey guys, Amy here. It's going to be hot, hot, hot in like a majority of the country this weekend. I'm talking like 9,700, crazy crap. But I have a way for you to stay fed without scorching yourself out of your kitchen and being completely exhausted and stuff like that. Because I know personally, when it's hot, I have like no appetite and struggle to eat. But if you have like these little things already around, you can just grab them and go. So one of the things I like, just cereal for breakfast. It's very simple. It's easy, plain. Get yourself like some chicken patties or some fish sticks, some chicken nuggets, something simple, something kid-like even, and you can just pop it in the microwave. That way you're not going to have all this heat in your house. Very easy way to get your protein. Plus, like chicken patty, you can chop it up, put it in a salad. They're fully cooked. I mean, you could even thaw it out and just eat it cold, I guess, if you wanted to. I mean, that's kind of weird, but, have at it. Hummus. I love hummus, and if you watch my Imperfect Produce videos, you know I always have vegetables. So some carrot sticks, some cucumbers, some celery, some crackers. Hummus. You got some protein here because it's chickpeas. I just like the classic. Another thing I like is just get these packets of tuna. Put it on a piece of bread. I mean, I get the deli style tuna salad, so the tuna salad's already made. You can also just pop it to go, if you want to do something outside. It's ready to go. Another thing, again, salads. Croutons, crucial to every good salad. Another thing, if you're like me and you just cannot give up carbs. Again, microwave rice. It's very simple, 90 seconds. In, done. Simple. Put it with that chicken patty. Little vegetables. Just cheese and crackers. Quick snack there. Yogurt, another good breakfast idea, or even a little snack. Another thing you can do is put these in the freezer and let them get frozen. And just, you got some frozen yogurt that way, frozen yogurt snack. And that is pretty much, some tips to eat when it's hot as hell. I'm actually going to cook some of this pasta right now and just keep it in the fridge, and I can either make a pasta salad or, heat it up real quick in the microwave, and then boom, quick, easy ideas so that you're not using the stove during a heat wave. Enjoy!